from our findings, we found that there's been some improvements in the different agencies, criminal justice agencies, and but we also saw that we still have a long way to go in terms of improving familiarity with the laws and then creating awareness amongst the criminal justice sector actors and also the general public. Getting them to know their rights under the law and getting them to know the new innovative provisions in the ACJA and ACJL in their states. So we found that there's been some improvements because a lot of work has been put into getting more people aware of the laws and aware of the provisions. But we also found that a lot of work needs to be done to create more awareness within the states and also within the agencies as well. In terms of satisfaction with the different agencies, that the police came off very low comparatively with the others. So we found that a lot needs to be done on the police to get the police up to speed, in terms of compliance with the provisions of the law and things like that. So yes, there's been progress, but we also believe that more work needs to be done, especially also in terms of reducing corruption in the sector, and then also improving on funding, making more facilities available for the agencies to use and become more efficient and effective. There's a lot of work that has been done so far to improve on compliance, but like I said, there's still a lot that needs to be done. The courts were found to be very effective in terms of compliance, most effective, I would say, in terms of compliance, but the police was still falling short on some areas in those zones. So we still need to work on training them, more training. A lot of training has been done, but we still need to do more in terms of training, in terms of funding, and then in terms of dealing with corruption in the police system.
With this app, we have been able to compress all of this law into a kind of pocket, app that anybody on the street of Lagos, anybody that have any interaction with any of the criminal justice actor, they can actually engage with it. This will also help the Nigerian police force and any other law enforcement agency for them to be able to know what the law says in relation to administration of criminal justice act. We have 29 states that has domesticated in their state, and probably we do hope that other states are going to do the same. So currently what we have in the app is that we have 29 state ACJL in the app, and we are hoping to also update it in relation to the fact that some other states are still yet to domesticate it in their own various states. Some of the awareness we have done in the time past are more or less like cartoon, radio talk show. We have done documentary, and we have heard all of these things on the on the radio. We have heard them on the TVs, and we also make some of them available on social media platform, because we believe that a lot of people engage with this social media platform on a daily basis. So we with this awareness, we believe that a lot of people will now know that the app is out there. A lot of people will now know that the law of ACJA is out there. They can better engage with it.